It's summertime and promoting's easy. Fits are jumping and the offers are hot. It doesn't even rhyme, but it doesn't even matter because I'm gonna keep rhyming and I don't know the words.
Boo!
Yeah, whatever.
Get out of the video.
I'm just.
Change the shirt.
This is why I should.
What's up with that hair?
Stop reading comments, okay? Okay, I'm trying to break into my singer-songwriter era of my career. Not that anybody cares here, but I know what you guys are really here for. Those top offers, especially as they're as good as they are this month. Seriously, friends, these offers, I mean, I could just break into song about them.
Just get into the offers.
I'm not gonna break into song.
Give the people the offers, Mychal.
Let's just dive in and get to them, okay? Fine, let's do it. In spot number 5, we are ever so pleased to welcome Nano Defense Pro to the top offers for the first time. This brand new offer is a perfect summer offer. More sun means sandal weather, and sandal weather means showing those toesies, which for those suffering from toenail fungus can mean absolute embarrassment. I mean, bro, look at those toes. Enter Nano Defense Pro. Nano Defense Pro is a topical solution created with nano ingredients, which are super teeny tiny molecules that can go where most topical solutions can't because their molecules are just too dang big. This means customers can say goodbye to their itchy, rough, and unsightly toenails. And this offer is created by the same folks who brought us classics like Prodentum, Vaseline Pro, almost every offer on our top offers list, so you know it's gonna be pretty good. With the affiliate tools galore, the awesome free ebooks included for multiple quantity purchases, and an eye-catching conversion rate, Nano Defense Pro might just be one of the best offers this summer. So let's get to those numbers, shall we? EPC, $1.49. Average payout value, $104.70. And hop conversion rate, 1.43%. That's pretty stellar numbers on a new offer hitting the top offers list. So go, promote it, find those people with them janky toes. Now in spot number 4, it's another sandal weather solution. It's Care Essentials, baby. Care Essentials is a topical toenail fungus remedy that is a blend of 6 all-natural non-GMO ingredients, all selected to target and destroy those pesky fungi that can create unsightly feet or a bad odor or both. This antifungal topical tincture has been evergreen since forever, and it's awesome. It's a tried and true offer that affiliates have found great success with, and here's why. It's well branded, straightforward messaging, compelling hooks, and a clean lender, and unbelievable testimonials that make this offer a winner. So why don't we get in those numbers, shall we? We got an EPC of $1.72, an average payout value of $117.77, and a hop conversion rate of 1.46%. This is awesome. Once again, another awesome summer offer that isn't focusing on trimming down. It's getting into those toesies, and you know them toesies are janky and smelly and you know? At number 3, we have a bit of a shakeup here. We're moving away from toenail fungus remedies and into the hearing health support supplements. That's right, it's Quietum Plus, and you can't quietum me. This evergreen ClickBank offer has seen its fair share of time on the top offers list over the years, and it's a powerful yet gentle supplement that supports regenerative ear health that can stop tinnitus in its tracks. Plus, there are additional cognitive benefits as well. The team behind Quietum Plus have optimized this offer, and now it's even better than ever. It's converting on native, on email, on Facebook, on YouTube, and you don't want to miss out on this epic offer in this new and improved form. You know that. You know it in your heart. So head over to their affiliate tools page to apply to promote today. Now, let's get into the good stuff. EPC, $1.25. Average payout value, $117.46, and a hot conversion rate of 1.07%. I mean, damn.
Damn, boy!
If you're watching this and being like, man, these are great offers, but I'm an influencer, man. I'm a content creator. I got a brand to maintain, you know? I gotta get out there, and the people like, I need some branded offers. Dude, I got something for you, man. We got branded offers now. What? ClickBank with branded offers? Yeah. Click this link right here where I'm pointing, or right here where I'm pointing, or right there where I'm pointing. I'm just gonna keep them on their toes. But any of those places, I don't know where it went, has branded e-com offers that are on ClickBank right now that are great for influencers, for content creators. And you know what? They pay good money too. So go, click those links. Go make some money. Now, while some folks are legitimately worried about toenail fungus ruining their summer, I'm looking at you, Dylan, that constant needing to go feeling, yeah, that's no fun at the beach. No one wants to have to always worry about peeing or having to go to the ocean all the time. Yeah, everyone goes in the ocean to pee. You should know that. Now, Potent Stream is a new ClickBank offer that holds the solution to those prostate problems. This proprietary blend of all natural ingredients helps clean and dissolve the blockage in the urinary system caused by hard water minerals. So, this offer is brand new to the platform and already making waves with an APV above $130. With free ebooks for multiple quantity orders and some excellent upsells, Potent Stream is a great choice for affiliates already promoting in the men's health space or for affiliates who want to break into that space. So if you think that could be a right match for you, well, head to the marketplace and grab your link and stop peeing in the ocean. Now, let's talk about those stats. EPC, $1.23. An average payout value, $130.16, and a hop conversion rate of 0.95%. If you're sitting there being like, but the other ones, those had higher conversion rates. Well, this applies to 50% of the population, and those with janky toes is only 45% of the population, including Dylan. So go promote it. It's a great offer. All right, now for the moment we have all been waiting for, the numero uno, the best of the best, the number one spot on the June Top Offers Nutra Focus list goes to ProDentim, one of the greatest evergreen offers. This thing came out like 2.5 years ago, and it's still chugging and still converting really well. ProDentim, if you haven't heard by now, is an oral health supporting candy that contains like a bajillion strains of healthy mouth flora that fight the bacteria that cause cavities and tooth decay. Bajillion, asterisk, maybe not a bajillion, but quite a lot. And if you've heard me talk about it before, it's because it's really good. Seriously, like the affiliates tools page, the team behind it, the payouts. Oh, don't even get me started about the payouts, man. They're so good. And ProDentim obviously does well with audience who have teeth and want to keep them. So that's like a wide swath of humans right there. And affiliates of all walks of life have found success with this offer. So check it out. Take a look at the affiliate tools page, and if you think the offer is right for you, hint, it probably is good for your traffic at some point. Go promote it. And why? Here's the numbers. It's got an EPC of $1.22, an average payout value of $136.06, and a hop conversion rate of 0.90%. I mean, dang, like it's still doing that year over year over year. Of course, they optimize, the team is great, and people are always looking to take care of their teeth. I mean, I still buy Crest year after year after year. I'm not sure if that's an app subscription, but ProDentim, got to get that candy. Okay, so since I've been banned from singing and evidently like having fun, I guess I'll say like, thanks for watching. Ugh, boring. Well, as always, we're so happy you're here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Top Offers content. Now, before we get and leave this, there's one more offer out there. I got a new offer for you, a bonus offer. Bonus!
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 Whoa!
We have Titan Flow, just released from one of our diamond advertisers. They have released amazing ones out there, like Lean Biome, if you've heard of it, aka yeah, you have. And it is awesome. It is a prostate offer that is going to be killing it, and we'll have more information right down here that you can click on and get promoting. You're gonna definitely want to get started on that. So, go, promote. Stop peeing in oceans, people. I don't front. I don't got no problems with nobody, you know?
Nobody.
I ain't scared of nobody.
Nobody.
Nobody. I mean, they gotta catch me on the other side, you know?